Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how you can create your software automation test script using DeepSeek. As you know, DeepSeek is the one of most popular AI which can help you for a lot of things. Today I will take the help from DeepSeek for creating software automation test script. So in order to create those scripts, we need a prompt. The prompt I have written this way. I have an application URL stated below. I need Selenium Java automation script for login to the application and log out. Login has the following field: username, password, login button. After login, need to click one element, then logout button. We'll use Firefox browser with Gecko driver path. Create class name as DeepSeek Auto. Here is our URL. So let me copy this prompt. We need to open any browser, then navigate to deepseek.com. I used Google Chrome. Here is my deepseek.com website. In order to use DeepSeek, you need to create your account, thereafter login, then you will come in here. So before going that, we need to see the application we will test, which is sourcedemo.com. Here is the front end. You need to enter username, password, then login. Once you log into the application, thereafter, we need to click logout button. Thereafter, it will close the browser. This is our purpose. It will do automatically, and that script will create by the DeepSeek. So paste our prompt over here, then hit enter from keyboard, or you can click over here too. So once you click over here, DeepSeek will analyze those prompts. Thereafter, it will write our script. Let's see how it goes. So it is writing, then Java code. It is our mainly code, whatever we need to. Then we'll copy that code and we'll take it to the editor. Thereafter, we'll run our test. Let's see. So it is almost done. Yeah, it has completed. Now it is giving some steps and whatever direction needed for running those script, and what this script will do. That all the direction. Only we need path to Gecko driver. This path we need to provide in the script. Everything written by the AI. You see, for human being manually, if you want to create this script, it will take some times. So AI, that will save our time. Copy this code from here, go to Eclipse. Eclipse as editor we use for software testing purpose, Java coding purpose, any purpose you can use Eclipse IDE, or you can use any other IDE. Those who are new in Eclipse IDE, how to set it up this project package and how to install Eclipse, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So here you need to select your package, thereafter right click, then new. We need to create a class. Class name, as I mentioned, we will put the class name as a DeepSeek Auto. We are not taking main method, everything written by the AI. So we are just click finish over here. Class is created. Also, I'll delete this thing too. Whatever AI created, I will take the whole thing. I copied. Let me make sure. Again, we copied. Just paste it over here. After pasting, we need to figure it out if there is any error here or not. Because there is no error in the class name, because it is the same class name whatever we created. And also I mentioned here we need our Gecko driver path. Our Gecko driver path is here. Let me copy from here. Control C. And let's go to the Eclipse IDE, paste it over here. So Gecko driver path completed. I will not do anything else. So just save it. Thereafter, we'll run this script. Let's see how it goes. Right click, run as Java application. So it will open Firefox browser, navigate to that application. Firefox browser open. It is navigated to that application. You see, user ID password put, it is login, then it will log out. You see how fantastic it is. You don't even need to write any single line of code. You see, login, logout action completed successfully. That means AI written code, you don't even need to figure it out the element locator. If you provide the URL and proper prompt, AI will generate all the thing whatever needed for those things. It's amazing. In before coming AI in the market, all those things written by the software automation tester, all the script. Nowadays you don't need to. You can create automatically. So AI can help you to save lot of time, and you can create lot of script rather than manual. So I think this video will be helpful for time saving purpose, efficiency purpose, and lot of other purpose. You can use AI for your software automation test script writing. I believe those who are new in software automation testing as well as Selenium, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.